Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm coming at you with cat ears and everything because I'm having a gorgeous bad hair day. But yeah, I created a video on this look which has the gorgeous glamorous glitter eyes and the bold lips, and I hope you guys like the look, so stay tuned and check it out. Leave me a comment below, subscribe to my channel, all that other good stuff. You guys know what to do. And yeah, I hope you guys like the video. So guys, I'm starting this tutorial by applying Makeup Forever's Ultra HD foundation, and that's in the shade Y335, and I'm just applying that all over my face. And stick with me guys, because this is gonna go really fast. And after that, I'm applying CoverGirl's Vitalist Healthy Glow Concealer. And I will mention all the shades below the video. So all the details, check for them below the video. And I'm working that in with my beauty blender. Then I'm doing a little bit of contouring using the Wonderstick by NYX, and well, I just added that in just because I wanted to use this stick, but you can skip this step if you want, but I just wanted to like try it. And I'm setting everything using my Clinique loose powder number 4, which is basically my go-to powder until I find another really great powder. So I'll keep you guys posted. And then I'm using the Covergirl Lid Primer, and that's the Lid Lockup Primer. Next are the brows, and I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wizz in the shade Granite. And because I take forever, let's just speed it up a little bit. There you go, brows are done. Next, I'm using e.l.f.'s Chromatic Eyeshadow Palette. And I'm starting with the lightest shade, and I'm just working it right underneath my eyebrow. And next I'm taking this darker shade. It's kind of orangey, kind of brownish. And this palette is called Bird of Paradise. I know there's several palettes. They're really gorgeous, so make sure you look for those. And I'm putting that same lighter shade in the inner corners of my eye. Next, I'm using my CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Concealer again. And I'm just going to apply that on my eyelid on both sides. And that's where basically the glitter is going to go. Now you can skip this step if you want, but I really wanted to have like a clean foundation. So I decided to add the concealer. Next, I'm applying the Glitter Glue by NYX, and I'm applying that basically in the same area that I applied the concealer, and that's going to make sure that all the glitter stays in place. There's the gorgeous glitter, and that is from the brand JCat Beauty. And I'm just going to dab the glitter onto the glitter glue. And I'm using a tissue because with glitter, there's always going to be 1 or 2 glitters that won't stay put. And once they're on your skin, good luck getting them off, right? Oh, and if you guys see me talk in the video, initially I was gonna do this just talk as a talk through, but because I ended up talking too much, the video got way too long, so I had to do it as a voiceover. Yep. Anyways, then I'm going in with this eyeliner by Covergirl, and this has to be the finest tip I have ever used, and I love it. And just for fun, I'm adding some lashes. There you go. Moving right along, we're using CoverGirl's Perfect Point liner, and we're using it to line our waterline. And after that, we use our e.l.f. eyeshadow palette just to go over that waterline, just to like lighten that bold line to make it look a little more natural. And on the cheeks, we are using our JCat bronzer. For the lips, I decided on a darker shade, and this is NYX Liquid Suede, and this color is called Club Hopper, which is one of my favorites. And that finishes our look. I hope you guys loved this tutorial, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye!